Henry Ford was born on a farm in Michigan in 1863. He was a man of simple beginnings but grand ambitions. Ford revolutionized the world with his automobiles and his innovative production methods. He made cars affordable for the average person. His impact on society was immense. Ford's story is the embodiment of the American dream. He was a self-made man. He started from humble beginnings. Through hard work and determination, he achieved extraordinary success. His life and work continue to inspire generations of entrepreneurs and innovators. Ford's legacy extends far beyond the automotive industry. He influenced modern manufacturing practices. His ideas shaped consumer culture. His story reminds us that one person can indeed change the world. As a boy, Ford displayed a keen interest in mechanics. He was fascinated by the inner workings of machines. He spent hours taking apart and reassembling clocks. He learned valuable lessons from this hobby. These lessons would later guide his groundbreaking work. At the age of 16, Ford left the farm for Detroit. He was determined to pursue his passion for machines. He worked as an apprentice machinist. He gained valuable experience in various shops and factories. This hands-on experience proved invaluable as he embarked on his entrepreneurial journey. In 1896, Ford built his first automobile. He called it the quadricycle. It was a rudimentary vehicle, but it marked the beginning of a revolution. Ford continued to refine his designs. He established the Ford Motor Company in 1903. Ford's early experiences shaped his vision. He believed in making cars affordable for everyone. He wanted to create a car for the masses. This vision would lead him to develop the revolutionary assembly line. Before Ford, cars were built individually by skilled craftsmen. This process was slow and expensive. Ford envisioned a more efficient system. In 1913, he introduced the moving assembly line in his Highland Park factory. The moving assembly line was a game changer. It involved moving the cars on a conveyor belt. Workers would then assemble the cars in stages. Each worker had a specific task. This system dramatically sped up the production process. The assembly line had a profound impact. It allowed Ford to produce cars at an unprecedented rate. The Model T, introduced in 1908, became a symbol of this efficiency. It was simple, affordable, and easy to produce. The assembly line transformed the automotive industry. Ford's competitors were forced to adopt his methods. Mass production became the standard. The price of cars plummeted, making them accessible to a wider audience. The impact extended beyond the auto industry. The principles of the assembly line were applied to other manufacturing sectors. This led to an increase in the production of various goods. The availability of affordable products transformed consumer culture. The assembly line also had a significant impact on the workforce. It created numerous jobs. However, it also led to repetitive and often monotonous work. Ford's decision to pay his workers a higher wage helped to mitigate some of these drawbacks. Henry Ford's legacy is one of innovation and lasting impact. He revolutionized the automotive industry. He changed the way we think about manufacturing. His ideas continue to shape the world today. Ford's story is a testament to the power of vision and determination. He had a dream of making cars affordable for everyone. He pursued that dream with unwavering passion and ingenuity. Henry Ford's legacy extends far beyond cars. He left an indelible mark on the world. His story continues to inspire generations of innovators and dreamers. He reminds us that with hard work and determination, anything is possible.